Okay guys, so first you need to install it. Once you download the effect, you need double click it. The file will be called CYM action title 03drfx, and you should see the following window with the install button. In my case it's override, so just click it, and the text animation should appear under effects. If you bought something for the first time from my coffee, there will be a new bin called custom memories, and you should find title right around here. So let me grab it to the timeline. Let me switch playback to resolution half or quarter for smoother preview. You might need to play it several times so it's ready to be played. Or you can also enable render cache. So go to playback, render cache, smart, and wait till the red line turns into blue. So this is what you got by default. And of course, in the inspector, once you click the title effect, go to the inspector, and under title tab you should have a bunch of controls to further customize the animation. Let me go quickly through all of them. So of course you got the text, you got the color, fonts, tracking, line spacing, and position. That is, let me disable for a moment render cache. You got position. In here you got glow and glow size. Okay, let me go back to default. You can also change the color of the glow. Let me go at the beginning of this animation where the glow is more visible, maybe right here. And you can add some red scale and let's say decrease green scale. So right now, as you see, the glow is not white, but we've introduced some color to it. Maybe it's more visible when you increase the glow gain, so you can make it purplish or yellowish, some kind of orange. This title is transparent, of course, so let me move it up one track, and let's take from the effects generators a solid background. Let's say we want something like this. So as you see, this is transparent. Let's render the cache to better see the effect. So this is how it looks so far. Let's say we want the reveal is fine, but we want the ending of the title animation to be faster. It's very easy to do it. Simply you can create a new compound out of it. So right click, new compound, create. Now you can open retime controls. So with the compound node clip selected, tap Ctrl R, and let's say the middle of this animation, we want to speed it up. So click this black triangle and add speed point. And right now, if you grab the ending of this clip, once the cursor turns into these arrows, you can drag it to the left, and as you see, the percentage is increasing. That means that this will be faster, 300% faster than normal. Let's wait for the render cache and let's see the result. So we got the beginning of the animation at normal speed and the ending is 3x faster. So this is the way you can manipulate the speed of the animation. You can also try to stack this title animation, so it's gonna look even more epic and more things gonna happen during the animation. To make a copy of it, just click the compound clip, hold Alt key and drag it up. That will make another copy. The copy beneath, you can, for instance, zoom in. You can zoom it like that, change the position, and you can change the opacity. Let me decrease the opacity so it's not so obvious. Let's see how it looks. So as you see, a lot more is happening here. You can also change the speed of the compound clip that is below. So open retime controls and let's grab this ending and let's slow it down like so. Put it somewhere here and let's see how it looks. You can animate it even further using keyframes, for instance the zoom. So let's say at the beginning of the title animation, I will create a first keyframe, then right around here I will create a second one. I will go back to the first one by clicking this arrow. And let's say we want to start from the zoom 3x, and this is how it looks frame by frame. You can smooth it out in the keyframes menu. So click keyframes, select the transform and open keyframe curves. You can also detail zoom it. And if you click the second keyframe right around here, you can change the smoothness from linear to ease in, for instance, and this is how it looks. Yeah, let me move this keyframe farther to the right, so just drag it here, and you can as well modify the ramp like so, and this is what we got. Now let me show you how we can utilize this title effect as a transparent title. So I got here this clip. To not slow down my laptop, I will make a still out of it. So right click, change speed, and I will choose freeze frame. I will add my title animation. Okay, so now I will sandwich this with my clip that is below. So let me do another copy of it like that. Select the title text again, go to settings, and in the opacity composite mode, change the normal to alpha, and the clip above, change it to foreground. So now if I disable the clip that is below, it should give me transparent title here, and if I enable the clip that is below, I can't see anything because it's exactly the same. The title is exactly the same as the clip. So what I can do is make the clip below less visible, so I can decrease the opacity, and this is what I got. And I can also increase the gain of the clip that is above, so the title is more visible. I can do that in the color page. So jump into the color page, make sure you see the timeline. So click this button and select the clip that is above. Go to the color wheels and simply increase the gain. Okay, let me go back to edit page. And this is what we got. I think that looks pretty sick. Hope you're gonna enjoy it. Cheers and see you in the next one.